Sometimes the bravest thing you can do for your future self is simply stop. We're taught to push harder, to never quit, to keep going, no matter what, but not every goal is meant to be carried forever. There's a difference between giving up and letting go. One drains your energy, the other frees it. Hope isn't just persistence, it's adaptability. It's the ability to notice when a path no longer fits your values or your life, and the courage to choose a better direction. Stopping isn't failure. It's a pause that protects your future. It makes space for choices that fit who you're becoming instead of who you used to be. When you step back with clarity, you can re-engage with purpose, focusing on what still matters, what still lights you up, and what truly deserves your energy. If this helped you think differently about stopping, switching, or restarting, like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop your comment about what you're choosing to realign with. If you're ready to strengthen your hope and choose what truly supports your future, join the waitlist for upcoming workshops and courses. You'll get simple tools to help you pause, pivot, and take your next step with clarity.